Guys, if you don't have Telegram channel for your AI model, you fucking like stupid. I don't know, like you're not smart, you're working the wrong way, and let me explain today why. I'm really tired. I had a really bad day, and not in sales, just I got really bad headache when I woke up, but I still will make this video for you. So let me explain why you need Telegram channel for your model and why it's the best in my opinion. Is Telegram is the most safest place to store your traffic. Bans are really low, especially when you have just a channel. Okay. Second, you can create a channel on your own Telegram account. You don't need another Telegram. Nobody can see you are the admin, so you can create from your personal account. And second, it's just like email. Okay, so you can like send them again and again. They're gonna get the notification and see your model and attention. It's way better than just get someone to know you on Instagram. Like you just see your model post, he like her, he comment, and then he maybe talk to her, and then he forget. Okay, so by that you can spam massive people, and actually in the end they will achieve and get to your page. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is example of a Telegram channel. He just spamming here photos. You can take picture from Pinterest, people are doing it. You can send recordings by 11 labs. You can do all that shit. You can do like votes and all of that, so you get the audience involved. There is no other way to do it right now. Okay. So, and the beauty of that as well, you can schedule everything, and from months on. So you just send all the people to your Telegram account, and yeah, you just put it on the link on me or whatever on your middle page, and you can automate that easily. I also, in my mentorship, I teach people how to send directly to the people to the Telegram account with automations. So it's another way to increase it even more, not by luck. So yeah, I also teach that in the in my my mentorship one-on-one. And as you can see here, already have people getting pretty good results. I've personally got like that in a week or so, 3K. This one just started 9 days ago. It was stuck for months, and then in 9 days, just 100 followers. Accounts start to grow. It doesn't matter really where you're from, to be honest. Yeah. So that's not a lot to say. Just open Telegram channel. This is the best thing you can do. If your Instagram accounts get banned, it's happened, guys. Doesn't matter if you're. We are AI models, okay? It's risky. You should understand it's not a real person that you can verify and all of that. So sometimes it can happen. I know accounts where like 200K just got banned in one day. So Telegram, sorry, channel is the best way to get back and save your audience, and you can monetize that. You can advertise on the models. You can make money only also from that if you have a big channel like this one, 20K subs. And you can do a lot of stuff, bro. Like you can sell PPVs through the channel. A lot of shit you can do. So yeah, if you want to learn more about it, you want to make everything organized for you and just how to make money fast. Okay, in our industry in AI OFM, you can see here people get amazing results. My strategy is working. Okay, it's not shit. It's not what are people doing, like blah blah blah, upload, and then one day you get viral. No, no. Okay, it just doesn't work like that. There is a specific strategy you should follow, and if you listen to my what I'm saying, you will just see success. There is no reason why not. So I'm putting all the details of my mentorship down below. You can check it out if it's interesting for you. Just let me know. DM me on Telegram. And if not, it's also okay. I don't care. But I just want serious people, guys. I don't want people who want to spend my time. Open Telegram channel, start to grow your account, and see you on the next video. Peace.